Jai Shri Krishna. Mind blowing facts about Sanskrit. Sanskrit has the highest number of vocabularies than any other languages in the world. 102 Arab, 78 crore, 50 lakh words have been used till now in Sanskrit. If it is used in computers and technologies, then more than these number of words will be used in next 100 years. Sanskrit has the power to say a sentence in a minimum number of words than any other language. America has a university dedicated to Sanskrit, and the NASA too has a department in it to research on Sanskrit manuscripts. Sanskrit is the best computer friendly language. Sanskrit is a highly regularized language. In fact, NASA declared it to be the only unambiguous spoken language on the planet and very suitable for computer comprehension. Sanskrit is an official language of the Indian state of Uttarakhand. There is a report by a NASA scientist that America is creating 6th and 7th generation supercomputers based on Sanskrit language. Project deadline is 2025 for 6th generation and 2034 for 7th generation computer. After this, there will be a revolution all over the world to learn Sanskrit. However, trend has picked up on the Western world. Indians are waiting for the moment when Sanskrit scholars from the overseas countries will come to teach them. The language is rich in most advanced science contained in their book called Vedas, Upanishads, Shruti, Smriti, Puranas, Ramayana, Mahabharata, etc. Learning of Sanskrit improves brain functioning. Students start getting better marks in other subjects like mathematics, science, etc., which some people find difficult. It enhances the memory power. James Junior School, London, has made Sanskrit compulsory. Students of this school are among the toppers year after year. This has been followed by some schools in Ireland also. Research has shown that the phonetics of Sanskrit has roots in various energy points of the body, and reading, speaking or reciting Sanskrit stimulates these points and raises the energy levels, whereby resistance against illness, relaxation to mind and reduction of stress are achieved. Sanskrit is the only language which uses all the nerves of the tongue. By its pronunciation, energy points in the body are activated that causes the blood circulation to improve. This, coupled with the enhanced brain functioning and higher energy levels, ensures better health. Blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, etc. are controlled. There are reports that Russians, Germans, and Americans are actively doing research on Hindu books and are producing them back to the world in their name. 17 countries around the world have a university or two to study Sanskrit to gain technological advantages. Surprisingly, it is not just a language. Sanskrit is the primordial conduct between human thought and the soul, physics and metaphysics, culture and art, nature and its author, created and the creator. In fact, it is a medium of direct contact between human beings and God. Sanskrit is the scholarly language of three major world religions: Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Today, there are a handful of Indian villages where Sanskrit is still spoken as the main language. For example, in the village of Mathur in Karnataka, more than 90% of the people knows Sanskrit. Mathur is a village 10 km from Shimoga. Karnataka speaks Sanskrit on daily basis for day-to-day communication. Even a Sanskrit daily newspaper exists. Sudharma, published out of Mysore, has been running since 1970 and is now available online as an e-paper. Sudharma.epapertoday.com. This type of calendar being used is a Hindu calendar. The UK is presently researching on a defense system based on Hindu's Sri Chakra. Another interesting fact about Sanskrit language is that the process of introducing new words into the language continued for a longer period until it was stopped by a great grammarian, Panini, who wrote an entire grammar for the language, laying down rules for the derivation of each and every word in Sanskrit, and disallowed the introducing of new words by giving a full list of roots and nouns. Even after Panini, some changes occur which were regularized by Vararuchi and finally by Patanjali. Any infringement of the rules as laid down by Patanjali was regarded as a grammatical error and hence the Sanskrit language has remained in the same glorious stage without any change from the date of Patanjali up to this day. Samskrita is the only language in the world that exists since millions of years. Millions of languages that emerged from Sanskrit are dead, and millions will come, but Sanskrit will remain eternal. It is truly language of Bhagwan. Wealth of information on Sanskrit language and scholarly global nations concerned for Sanskrit shows how India lags behind America, Europe, Australia, and select Asian brilliance in this matter. We Indians are performing pujas for various religious festivals throughout the year. So, we will not be lying if we say Sanskrit is also one of our language or our mother tongue in the next senses exercise without forgetting to help save our own language from disappearing and doing our bit for the language. Learn Sanskrit and own such a heavenly wisdom. Being descendants of the rishis, the amazing human beings on the earth. If you allow Sanskrit to die, heaven will not lose anything, but the humanity will be deprived of a priceless treasure.